You've probably seen this iconic Dolce Gabbana Light Blue perfume ads. The turquoise sea, perfect couple, the slow motion scene with passion. It's all beautiful, but what was promoted in this ad also passion and lust. And today we're going to talk about how to create videos without cameras or actors. And we're just going to promote different type of values using similar ad modeling or what is important to Dolce Gabbana, but we're going to twist it slightly. We're going to play a director role in this process. And I'm inviting you to learn with me, and we're going to use AI in the process. At the end of the video, just a spoiler alert, you will see the final version of an ad for a light blue perfume for women. Keep in mind that this type of video is targeting women specifically. And because we're targeting women, we're prioritizing love. We're prioritizing family values. We're prioritizing respect in a relationship, not lust. Now let's talk about the process itself. What steps do I take to produce the video? So first thing I do is producing an image. I usually go to Midjourney to produce images. And this is another AI program that produces videos as well as photos based on prompts. But it didn't work out for what I was looking for. If you're looking for specific brand image, imitating specific brand product, Midjourney is not that great. It did produce something, and if you want to learn more how I produced the image, you can look at my videos that was produced previously. I actually ended up using Nano Banana, and it's a very powerful AI tool as well. By looking at the video, I think you will be able to discern and decide which works best for you for specific projects. I didn't plan to create the video about Dolce Gabbana. I just practiced with AI to create product photos, and Midjourney just didn't do what I asked for. And I happen to have Dolce Gabbana perfume that I like, and that's why I decided to test that, so you can use that as a template for you. I'm happy that I actually check out Dolce Gabbana ads, because two ads that I watched had different actors, but both of those ads had one theme in mind. It's lust and passion. I thought this is something that I definitely don't want to show in my videos. And Dolce Gabbana Light Blue perfume is so great that it doesn't even need advertisement. But if I advertise it, I would like to show the tenderness of this perfume. I would like to show the sensibility, this very delicate sense. I thought that light blue is about building loving and lasting relationship. Since we're creating an ad, how perfume is helping people to connect, we might as well to show the connection that is based on love and respect and trust. So after I got this trigger, after watching those two ads, I thought, okay, now I would like to create a storyline. My draft had 5 major scenes. Scene number 1 is an essence scene. This is where we're introducing the product. In our case, it's light blue perfume. Second part is where connection happens. I'm introducing the couple, because couple is going to deliver us a value of the product, show them naturally talking and walking. The third scene is playfulness, and this is where they gonna splash water on each other, laugh. The goal that I had is to show authenticity, is to show true love, is to show that there is respect in a relationship, and tenderness that this fragrance has. Very delicate. That's one of the reasons why I thought it would be very important to include a model that has blue eyes, because it's also blue, light blue, right? In part number 4, I can call it a pause. It's the slow moments. It's when the closeness happened. And finally, the close-up shot, the fifth one, is the symbolism of the scene. And right now it's a perfect time for us to go over the prompts and how we're creating the prompts, because without it, it would be difficult to keep models consistent in the scene as well. These prompts were actually created with ChatGPT help, using my story that I created first. So after I got the vision and I drafted my outline, then I went to ChatGPT for help to create prompts. And if you look at my prompt number 1, it says close-up shots. And then we have a wide shot. The other thing I would like you to look into is the parts of the prompt that I have here. Maximum time for each video clip in VO3 as of November 2025 is 8 seconds. So as you can see, I just broke it into details and part. We usually add some overlay texts or logo, but in our instance, we're not using it at all. What you're looking at right now is VO3 website. In order for you to produce videos with it, you have to subscribe to Google One. You then go to labs.google/fx/tools/flow/project. And that's where it takes you. You would have to log in. So I use Chrome for VO3 and for Midjourney and for Nano Banana. For mostly AI programs, I use Chrome. So now we're going to go back to our projects. If we would just start new, we would click on new project button. But because I already worked on this project, to save us time, we're going to click on the existing button. First, I'd like to go over user interface of the page. This thing is changing your views. Here you would be able to see how many credits you have left. The bottom menu here includes what a type of service we want to use. Is it just text to video or is it frames to video? I used ingredients to videos for this project, so I'm going to select that. Here we also have menu that help us change aspect ratio. We can do vertical videos. We can select how many videos per one generation we want to have, and it is 1 to 4 at the max. And also we can use what type of model we want to use for video. When we use VO 3.1 fast, we don't spend credits. Everything else worth credits, and it's 100 credit for each generation. Under each video generation, you will be able to see what type of model was used to generate those videos. And on the left side, you will see the prompt. If you would like to generate video, you would paste the prompt in this window and add the photos. So I'm adding the photo. You can see how it works and paste it. And keep in mind, we're using ingredients to video option here, and I'm clicking on this button. So while it's producing the videos, you can also reuse the prompt several times. You just click on this button, and if you want to adjust the prompt, you can do it. And after you've done, you click again on the arrow button. My original video included yacht on the background, so this one doesn't help. And even though all of those videos have the same prompts, they're not the same. This one is also not matching my original image that I used as a basement, as you can see. So let's go to the beginning so you can see the story of my generated videos, what I did and what prompts I use. So our first scene includes the perfume bottle. And on the background, we see a couple and this beautiful view. What I used at the beginning is this video, because we see the light blue and we see the couple. We introduced to both, but we know that the perfume is most important. For this specific video, this is the prompt that I used. I'm not going to share you the sequence of the video yet. You will be able to see it in the video by the end of this tutorial. If you look at this one, this is the shot that we actually did use in the video. Here is the prompt for it. By working on this project, I realized we really can produce anything we want using AI. And it's up to us what type of message we want to attach to it. And with this project, you can see that AI can be used for the right intention, for positive ripple effect, to promote tenderness instead of exploitation. Because at the end, technology is amplified by the person who's behind it. For me, love, connection, respect always be more beautiful than desire alone. And if you believe that creativity has a soul and that AI can be used to promote positive ripple effect, then subscribe and we can work on it together. Without further ado, please enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. And I would love to hear and see what type of advertisement you did for your product. And if you would share them in the comments, we would all learn from each other.